What's going on, guys? I'm Chrissy Whispers, and tonight I'm going to be putting together a 400 piece Mega Block Pikachu pixel art that my wife got me for Christmas. She actually got me six of them. Oh, you can see on the back, they have Charmander, Squirtle, Bulbasaur. They also had Eevee and Mew, and I didn't know which one I wanted, so she got me all six, which is pretty dope. Um, I don't know how this is going to work on my desk, but I'm going to turn this thing around. I'm gonna turn this camera around, I mean, and we're gonna start putting this thing together. So I'll see you guys in just a second. All right, guys, here we are. Let's open this thing up. Right. We get everything out. Oh, I don't know this. I don't know what that's all about. Um, right. So we got some pieces. I'll be honest with you. Doesn't look like a lot of pieces. I hope I'm not eating my words shortly, but let's get right into it. All right, guys. Here it is. Hour and a half that took. It's on a swivel. It's pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. Um, it definitely looks better in person than it does on the box. Really cool. It's only 25 bucks. They're at Target. Um, time lapse the shit out of that video. Um, you know, I think they're pretty cool. I'm gonna put this up next to my TV. It doesn't scale to the size of the TV the way it shows on the box, but this thing is pretty cool. I'm glad I got 6 of them, to be honest. Once I have a place to display them, it'll be really cool to have these all up like in a backdrop. So thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're a fan. If not, that's cool too. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.